are my children?
Who are your children? Who are you calling children?
Where is Felix?
Is there anything wrong?
Mazi, provide answer. Where is Felix? Provide answer for us.
My son traveled with his mother to the village.
What
is the problem, my children?
Your son traveled. You know what will happen? Since he traveled, I will leave a message for him.
What? See, open that. Open that.
See, what is your name? Go and bring rope for me.
Open that.
See, Nyash, where carry? Go bring that for me. Go bring it for me. Bring it for me.
Somebody help me, I say Tifo.
Wait now, show. Wait. What happened?
That one boy when I drop now enter this and no pay me.
Which business you are doing? You no pay
And the
you?
bike man drop and no pay me.
Oh, you be Okada man.
Yes.
And you carry and you no pay you.
He no pay me.
Okay, I beg you, I go ask you. You still know where you park your Okada?
I bike there.
You know Amabi?
Yes.
I beg, you know what will happen? You go back there now. Because if you waste time, your Okada self go lost. Because of 100 naira when you can't draw.
You mean now?
No, I dey joke. Why I go mean am?
Okay.
I thought you see the stand. You want to lose your money? Then go for 100 naira, you want die. So you don't go. You go lose work for today. I don't understand though.
So this is how you stupid boys go about in this village, causing havoc. Okay, yeah?
Papa Biko, up Macau. I been a me enter Okada no pay. Don't you see when your son rampas? I'm just trying to fulfill scriptures. Bible say, be your brother's keeper. Person say make it still defend family name. Everything I say the blast person. I don't understand though.
May thunder strike that your mouth. Bible teacher. Okay, you know what will happen now? I want to know more from you. Yeah, come and teach me Bible.
Papa,
No,
what's
come
happening
and teach
now?
me Bible now. Come and teach me more about the Bible.
Papa, I beg, leave me. Not be me enter
Stupid
Okada
boy.
no pay. I beg, I don't. This house, I don't have one. That's one person they may do. May family. They go turn quarrel again. I don't understand you. I beg, leave me.
Stupid boy. And where is that one that refused to pay the caravan? Where is it?
Hello? Yeah, what's up? Hello? Network. Hello?
Madam Rice.
Obinna.
Madam Rice.
Where's your brother now?
He went out. He just stepped out now to make a business call. You know we do business. We're international businessmen. Madam Rice.
Obinna.
You two get talent. This your rice now blast.
You like am? You sweet, abi?
You think I'm joking? You know say we dey travel. I never know what I don't tell you. Say we dey travel for our family well. This is our humility. As we dey humble well. I don't know. People don't know our what. I don't travel, go different places. Even when I go Aso Rock, I don't eat their rice. You see this your rice? If you cook am for Aso Rock, President go give all the people when they cook for them, go give them sack letter for flash drive. Print as many copies as you want.
Obinna.
No be joke.
Don't they wash me like that?
I don't wash you. The only thing when just spoil this rice, I'm gonna tell you the truth. You know say I know they hide my mouth. Now just say you know get cold drinks to just wash them down. Now what is spoil now?
Why you dey talk like that now? Shebi I tell you now the other day say my neighbor don dey sell cold drink.
Madam Rice, they sell drink.
They sell cold drink. Cool one, they put am for cooler.
I know they go house again. Go bring and come.
Which one you want?
Madam Rice, you get cold drinks?
I get.
My brother go drink. Just bring 2 more testers. My brother go drink one.
I dey come, I go bring am.
Hey, that is the place. I die here. Oh. Madam Rice get drink. Hi. I must die here. My peace first before I die. Drink get this place. I die. Whoa.
I can't go. My neighbor no come. My neighbor never come out. Auntie, I bet where the young man wey dey here wey I go bring drink for?
Just stepped out.
Hey! Hey, Riem. This is the third time. Hey, what kind of stupid mistake is this? So these boys have carried my money again. What kind of silly mistake is this now? Okay, when you choro maya gawara push up. If I catch those boys, if I catch those boys in this village, they will vomit. This is the third time they are doing this.
Everybody in this village knows them. I wonder why you keep falling for their tricks.
See me, oh. Don't worry, I'll catch them. I'll go to their mother's house. I know what I'll catch them. This is the third time they are running away with my money.
You wasted so much time at Madam Rice's place. Now save me, I just tired for you.
Is which one be you tired for me now? Is you left me in that place, oh. I had to look for the right key to give that woman before I pianted.
I talk am. Say that woman me to keep you for there.
Oh, boss, that woman still they boss my pimples.
The woman food is sweet.
Hey, Omo, not take that woman play, oh.
Hey.
Izu. See, Chinanza is coming.
Hey. Catch
Izu, this girl is going very fast, oh.
Mama, they tell you.
I see the way she's paying attention to details.
Chai.
Adjust, she's coming.
Chinaza.
Chizuzu.
Yes.
How are you now?
I'm fine.
Chinanza, are we quarreling? She why they be now? I just pass us the lie, say we quarrel. I'm greeting you now.
I don't understand. What else? Didn't I answer you people?
She should have stood for a while now. Ask us how we dey, how the streets they be.
I just tired for you.
Please, Obinna and Izuchukwu, I beg you people, I don't have time for your trouble this afternoon. No. Biko Kwanu, let me be. Apumaka.
Chizuzu.
Nizu, thank God I met you. I was coming to your house to come and see you.
Ne.
Eh?
I hope all is well.
All is not well, oh. Biko, I beg of you. Eh? Please, tell those two thieves you call sons to come and pay me money for the food they ate in my shop yesterday.
It will not be Ali. Eh? What you said is nice, but calling my son thief, I don't understand. Eh? You said they ate in your shop yesterday.
Exactly. And then they ran away with my money. I was settling a customer before my hand made fepu. This is the third time it's happening now. The next time it will happen, it will not be like this.
Wait, you're shouting. Eh? People will hear what you're saying now. How can they go and eat your... Calm down. You know, they are children. Eh? How much did they eat?
400.
400?
400 naira.
Okay. 400. Okay. Well, his name change, oh? And you stop shouting. They are children. Stop shouting.
Hey, go. You are not basari. Go. I'm not serious.
Stop shouting. But you know they are children. Eh? They are growing. It's youthful exuberant.
Mamizu, they are not the only youths growing in this village. You better caution them before you get out of hand.
They are children. I've told you to come. If you want, I can give you another 15 naira.
I don't want your 15 naira. I'm just telling you because next time I will not take it lightly like this.
If they will come there next time now, I'm serious double. What's that? Look at that. Who was there? You boom the Buddha. I can look at you 400 naira. Here. They'll come and meet me in this house. Don't come on. Now, where are they? Where are they? Where are they now? Where are they? Eh?
No, why are you so frantic? You frightened me?
Now, where are those two children that have decided to insult me? In fact, to disgrace me in this village. Where are they?
How can you can't friend? What have they done again?
Oh, nine. Where are they? Let them come out here. Oh.
Let them
come out here. Oh. Let them come out here. They're in this house. Oh.
Mama.
Oh, you people are here.
Good afternoon, ma. Welcome,
Mamu.
Oh, hey! Just keep your greetings. Why have you people decided to bring me shame in this village? Why all this insult I received from that little girl, Madam Rice?
Insult, quoi?
Yes!
Mama, I don't understand. I don't understand the insult you're talking about, Abi. Do you understand?
Shut up your mouth there also! You know exactly what I'm saying!
Wait. Nobina. I think you are not being rational here. Tell these boys what offense they committed. I think it will be clear.
Hey,
tell them.
Papa, when God wants to bless you, forget the way you be now. You will not look back. Thank you for seeing from our perspective and coming to our...
Go shut up your mouth today also. Bless you. But in the perspective, you don't know people like 9. They know exactly. Stop pretending, no. Stop pretending. And tell me why I'm receiving all these insults.
Nobina, I disagree with you. I disagree. This is assumption. An assumption is a sin. It's not good. Come up clear.
Hey, Papa. Thank you very much, sir.
Come on, shut up. Shut up also. Okay. Why did you go to Madam Rice's place and eat? And you didn't pay her money? Who they were about for?
Hey, Mama. Is that what she told you? It's a lie, yo. It's a lie.
You see it? You see how they use bad name to so native for us in this village? Sure, you see how they give us bad name in this village? Mama, that's not what happened though. That's not what happened.
Okay. Now tell us what happened.
See, Papa, thank you very much, sir, for the privilege.
What happened?
Okay. Actually, sir, we went to the place. We ate in a restaurant.
Hey, cool down now. Cool down. Let them talk.
Papa, when we were done eating, we gave her money, but she did not have change. So I said, it will not be good. This woman is a very hardworking woman. You know, go good say we can't just give her money, go they find change. She's a very busy person. So out of our own free mind, we now said, let's go and look for change for her. So, Papa, we now came out to look for change for her. We're going everywhere. We're scouting for change. The whole village, nobody had change. Because how we go do this thing now? Before we now finally saw change, when we came back, the shop had closed.
I see. Here I see Ocha. It's clear. Look at your eyes. Look at your eyes. I see.
You looked for change for the whole day.
Papa,
you didn't see change.
Even me, the thing surprised me. I don't say change hard like this for this village.
Shut up! You are lying. See, Akefruno, you are lying. Bringing me shame in this village.
Mama. See, Mama, this insult you are giving us is uncalled for. Hey, Obina has just told you the truth. Everything Obina has said there is the truth. Nothing but the truth. Obina, let's go.
If we say. You come out and you be trying to ask this song. Even this one look like me. What is that?
Let's do good, and I cause quarrel.
Do you go like good ever? Do you see? Libu wonu landly. The flock of furniture. Now you only side. So you can't talk to your sons. You couldn't talk to your sons. You don't want to caution these boys in this house. Take your responsibility as a man, no. If you know you cannot handle this manship, give me the manship. Come handle who was the man.
What manship?
I'm a man now.
Hey.
Fine, my guy.
I'm fine. That's fine.
I need like 5K from me, like 5K. Something just came out.
Please, I don't have that kind of money, yo.
Only the shout now. Calm down. Obina.
How far now? Fun, where you have already good.
Just deal. See this my guy here. And they tell us I need like 5K.
Real nigga. Real nigga.
See the guy shoe where the guy.
Oh, but your shoe made a clearance for you.
And allow me the sweat for this song. Why you do like this? Now you don't make me the verse. You just make me the verse now.
I don't understand.
Why don't they like negotiation? Negotiate now. If you don't use force, and now you go call grey, Abi. You don't understand, Abi. No Allah. Man, make you understand.
Don't kill me.
Stop!
Obina, please. Please, please. 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 Please, Obina. Obina, don't injure me. Obina, please, please. Don't kill me. Don't injure me. Obina, please. Please. Please, oh. Please. Don't kill me. Please, please. Please, Obina. Obina. Please. Please.
The great one. I'm happy to see you this morning.
Thank you, my brother. How are you doing?
I'm fine, as you can see. And how about you and your family?
You see, we're fine. We're fine. Only I'm just recovering from an attack.
What attack are you talking about?
You didn't hear?
No.
Mazi Nduka's sons fought my son. They came in looking for him. Unfortunately, my son traveled with the mother to the village.
What? Abomination.
That's not even enough. They tied me down. I was there till the next day before my son and his mother returned to untie me.
Mbanu, these boys have beat him more than they can chew.
The matter has been reported to the Council of Elders. And I believe they will handle it next meeting.
Oh, yes.
He hold me, Mazi. No. Aye. Well,
don't worry. We will handle it at the next meeting. Huh? Meanwhile, take care of yourself and your family. Huh?
I will. Where are you heading to?
To my farm. To inspect the boys working for me there.
Okay, go well. We'll see you next time. Me, Mazi, to be beaten and tied up by those beast trams.
Born to be terrorists.
See, come, wait, make everybody just sit in here though. Me nobody come like say one do Ojoreya, is you supposed to play now?
I don't go market now. I don't understand this guy.
You go market, then nobody see you.
I just go market now. Where your eye dey? My guy, why you dey enter me like that, sef? Since I just come this place, you just dey enter me. I tire for you.
I don't look this boy with one eye.
When
they do your hair like what I don't know, say use your brain for your.
Hey, I mean when they enter like that.
Can I be saying you supposed to play now? Like this.
Wait, says. I heard the observe you ever since for this place. I heard the observe you. When you told for this small game you they play. Use your brain, no shut up for the your man no change and follow you. My man, you are very correct. That's why you should play. Maybe play what place? I be game for me before.
I be playing. I know they waste time for you.
Yeah, not worry. Not be what play. You're the kind of rush or blow you the hot. And I not play what play. No worry. I don't go market. Oh yeah, play. See your life. So now market you want go since now you the delay abi. Oh yeah, play now. I play. I'm not there for. I made mistake.
Oh but you play. Too they talk about if they play.
I knock am. Wait first. General market, everybody. General market check up. Wait first. Wait. Calm down. Wait first. Wait.
But come to that now.
Wait now. It's not a single when I play for you.
I tire. I just tire. No be all this one small that they do for you. Guy, I tire. See, guys, I get plan. You get one idea will come my head.
Idea?
Yes.
If my money idea drop on, I'm in there now.
You see that church of fire where they that corner? That church of fire now, we just open you the other day. My guy. Their members they increase by the day.
Izu.
Why they looking like
Come first, come.
Okay, now be the idea.
I take concern.
Now be the plan.
Church they grow, you be pastor. I take concern you.
Hey, why you they laugh? Wait till they make una laugh, my guy. See, members are growing every day in that church. They are having new members now. You mean say the offering then they increase by the day? You don't understand. The office they.
So what you call me like this now?
Now you talk. See, we guys visit that church. We guys do what we guys do for that church. We guys ransack the church as in and out everywhere. They feel am.
You get plan.
Enter that place, do our things, man.
Hey, wait. Izu, now today, now I know say, even when not get sense, it still make sense.
Hey, why? It insult me.
So far say the insult end well, collect and shake. Hi!
See, not be to bring idea, but not to plan the idea be the matter. So, what is the way forward? What is the key point to that church? I will go to enter, I will go to I be now.
That may be Zuna.
Oh yeah, give us the line. What is the idea?
I have a plan.
Chai! Baby, Asan Asan Pete, my morning wine, my water goddess. See, baby, anytime I behold your countenance, I'm edified.
Hey!
Baby, you are my alcohol. You intoxicate me.
All this for me?
Yes, now.
Okay. If all these things you are saying is true, then prove it.
Baby, which other way do you want me to prove my love for you in this village?
You want me to tell you?
Yes, now.
Give me assurance.
Baby, any assurance you want, even if it's the ego's head, just give me to the end of today.
No,
I will
God
bring it
forbid.
for you.
No. You
Any assurance?
Just make our relationship to be known in the public. That's all.
Public one?
Yes.
Baby, is there anybody, my alcohol, in this village that doesn't know my love for you? My love for you is pronounced.
Are you sure they know?
Yes, now.
Then why are they still disturbing me? Yes. All these village small boys, they keep on disturbing me. Why?
Hey God. Why die the hungry people? Wait, some village boys in this community are asking you out?
Yes, so I just pity their ignorance.
Baby, it's because you're not telling me. It's the truth. Because, see, from now on, anybody just greets you on the road, say good morning, only good morning. Tell me, I will burn his family compound. I will burn his family compound. Yes, so. And if he proceeds to say, Ne, how are you? How are you doing? I'll wipe out his lineage.
Chai.
Yes, so. His family name will go extinct. Baby, do you know what you mean to me?
I don't. Tell me.
Let me explain. Baby, the radiance from your smile gives me navigation. Baby, you are my direction. Hey, see, my only intoxicant. When I see you, I'm gone. I don't have life again.
Please don't go.
Baby.
Oh, my
I should stay for
love,
you.
stay for me.
Baby, I will stay.
That's why I love you.
Baby, you are taking me to...
Mama.
Adobe. Adobe.
Mama.
Adobe.
Ma.
Where do you think you are coming from?
Mama, I don't understand.
You will not understand. You think I don't know. Adobe, is yourself you are disgracing, not me, nor my family. You are following that useless son of Nduka. That useless son of Nduka. Adobe.
Mama, is it my baby? My old babe? My only Njemonu that you're calling useless. Mama, please don't insult him. Don't insult him. Leave him out of this. What has he done to you now?
Adobe. Adobe, you have the gut to call that useless boy your baby at my face.
It's not useless. It's my baby.
I'm mad.
Mama, I'm not mad. He's not useless. He's not useless. It's my baby. Mama, stop this now. Leave him out of this. Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave my baby. Leave us alone.
Let me see that useless boy here again. Let me see that useless boy here again. Idiot. Let me see him here. I want to think it to your nation. How? You are coming to this. Not Jacob also.
Play now, no dey fear. Play now, why you dey fear?
You be mugu. Who dey fear? I about to calculate myself. You know, say you get mathematics.
You're not supposed to answer. You know, say this boy normally they learn how to talk well. He never sabi talk.
You always sabi talk. I still dey use and dey run my zaga.
Not mine now, not mine now. They owe you. How you go say the guy they fear?
Oh no.
My brother, still play.
Oh, but can't not the rush now. Your blood temper the hot time.
Why game they add you to play like this? Sure?
Oh, but I said me you calm down now. Now you get my game. Now you get my spirit.
Oh man.
You didn't, you'll still lose.
Man then.
Have fun, I
Man then.
Brotherly, you know the story now. How you matter? What's your matter? I beg you, I want to game first. I know you get power for shots. I want to game first. I beg.
Wait, where they? I want to do this. Oh, but go pay my money. Where they do your hair like what I don't know so.
Just this be the reason why.
Not be your brother. You dey complain.
Not
be your brother.
Wanna wait now? Will they come now?
Not be your brother. See this money, See, I'm collecting money.
Wait, guys, wait. But business, the money come.
Yeah?
Serious business, dey.
Which kind of business?
Shut up first now. Come, see.
Sister Beatrice, how much do we have for friends today?
15,000.
15,000. Okay, that's it. Auntie Agnes, you put this one in the bank and make sure you give Pastor a written note. And don't forget about charity too. Yeah. So that we can.
People of God, praise the Lord. Our brethren in Christ. Our brethren in Christ. You are all blessed. I beg. No need for noise. See, we came so that the church will help us with our philanthropic needs. I beg that offering, I beg you bring that. People of God, no need to shout. Wait now. Just bring the church offering. There's no need for shout. I beg. Pastor, okay, now you be the brother, man of God. Give me your phone. Just give me your phone. Give me your phone now. Please, give me your phone, sure. Not be like that. We are all children of God. No, not be like say, I beg. You know go good say I collect pastor phone now. So your SIM card, me God not vex, I beg. I beg go. Now I won't share. We are all children of God. Now I won't share. We can't collect, please. The funds of God cannot be exhausted. Okay, move, I beg. Movement, alignment. Let's go. Man, not vex for us, so I beg go. Now God, that one for us. I take God now. I beg. Come on. Sisters.
Hey, church money, Pastor, church money.
Thank God our lives will not take home.
Chinanza, it's okay. Stop crying. You can't continue this way. How can I stop crying? Those boys have damaged my pride.
See, I still think you should report these things to your parents.
Yes. I can't.
But why?
You know my father very well. He's temperamental and he will handle it violently if I should tell him. And if he should do that, the whole village will know I'm a rape victim. I can't make that happen. Chinanza, the best thing to do now is just to get your mind off it and focus on other things, please.
These boys, God will punish them.
Amen.
God will punish these boys. It will never be well with those boys.
Amen.
It's okay. Please don't cry again.
Hi, Ebinum. My watermelon. Hi, baby. You know what? I got something for you.
For real?
You are doing
what
for
is it?
Is it for fake? You think I'm joking with this relationship? See, baby, take.
Money.
Take everything.
Everything for me?
Everything, take everything. Baby, you see this money now? If you don't want to offend me, spend.
Hey!
You understand what I'm saying? Hey. I don't want to say I want the news of your expenditure to shake the foundation of this village.
Hey!
So much that when our ancestors hear of it, they will turn in their grave. Hey! Baby, spend!
I should spend all this money.
Baby, spend everything.
Hey! Ego Jolu. Thank you so much.
No, baby, see.
Thank you so much.
See. You are distracting me. See, I have to be going now. But you know what will happen? You just be moving. Let me envisage your exterior.
Please leave me alone.
Just be going.
Started again, no.
Hey,
what is it?
Just go for me now.
Oh, you're making me shy. Stop. Come, let me hug you. I can't go like that now. Go, John. Okay, let me go.
Okay, maybe just
stop. Don't look at me.
Hi, give me energy so that I can move. Baby,
stop it.
Hey.
Stop.
Even if the gods were human, they're not gonna fight like this. Hi. Homo. Hi.
See, as love won't take you.
Love won't kill me.
Love don't kill you already.
I'm not alive.
For this village.
I didn't even know I was still alive. Am I still alive? It won't kill me. I thought I was gone.
What did you
do? Hey.
Abarudo. 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 Abaranwoko. 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 Anyamja honzo. Anyanja honzo. Odumeji. Bamoku. Bamoku.
Ezemo, what did the gods say about this predicament? Eh?
The gods are silent.
Hey. Silent.
But I have another way to handle them.
Another way? What is it?
Bamoku. Abaranwoko. 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 Bamoku. Bamoku. Come back in 4 market days.
Hey.
And I will have answer to it.
Ezemo, the 4 market days is too far. Before then, these boys would have set the whole place ablaze.
Exactly.
Yes.
The earlier the better.
Biko, cut it, Biko.
I insist. But till then, I will be controlling the rascality from here. You can go. Go!
Okay.
I'm a nigga. I'm a walker. Oh, the major.
The things happening in this village baffles me. How can those two boys, those little boys, decide to make themselves a pain in the necks of everyone in this village?
My sister, I'm a bit confused.
Are you in this village at all? Can't you see that Mazin Ducasto's sons, Obina and Nizu, have decided to make this village a living hell?
Who doesn't know them? We all chose to keep quiet because we do not want to attract their attention. Those boys are something else.
They are really something else. So. I even heard that they tied Mazialoze up. They tied him up!
Is that all you've heard?
Stemo.
Let me give you the latest gist.
I beg, gist me.
I heard they went to the village chapel and collected all the offerings.
Hey! Okay, are you serious? This is the offering at the chapel.
See, do not tell anybody I told you.
Hey! These two boys. Hey, but what exactly are the council of elders doing about all this?
Do you say elders?
Yes, elders.
My sister, I have things to do at home, so let's go.
Hey.
Let us go.
Hey! Those boys.
I'm but I won't kick it. I'm but I won't kick it. Ananja Hozo. I'm but I won't kick it. Ananja Hozo. Ojela Mo. Ojela Mo. Ojela Mo. Ananja Hozo.
We know.
Ojela Mo. Ojela Mo.
I the bina.
Ananja Hozo. Ojela Mo.
Easy.
Ezentus. That is true, the bina. Real nigga for the street.
You children of Ndoka, I can't remember inviting you to my shrine. I can't.
Why did you do like this now? Are we quarreling? Why the code reception? Are you supposed to invite us first? We'll be guys now. So why you go say you have to invite us first?
The way you are looking very, very fresh.
I can't wonder whether Ezeme don't collect cream and sacrifice. The way your color they come outside. Ezentus.
Sure say you did this shrine.
Pure street guy.
Mind your words. Have you come to insult me in my shrine? Have you? Do you?
How we going? So not be we day here. All of us don't see this thing not the work now. We can't life ourselves again. Sure.
Let's tell the Ezemo the reason why we came here.
True. Maybe your waste.
Easy. See, the reason we came to your shrine is to inform you that all the sacrifices that have been done in the past few days, Eke, Oro, Nkwo, Afo, bring them here. 50-50.
No cheating, no.
We don't need anything.
Maybe not just cheat for inside.
50-50.
Now we day here, we not going to do like that too. Just go inside, go bring and call like that.
I'm gonna walk again. I'm gonna walk.
Hey.
I'm gonna
This one, the white.
You don't even get hand.
If both of you don't leave this place right now, I will turn you to cockroach.
Ezimo.
You be like Ezimo don't collect it, boy, sacrifice. If they hide, they smoke. Don't turn us to cockroach, abi. Find that rope.
This
now we go know.
Don't cross this line. Don't. Hey!
Hold on.
Because we'll strike you.
I love. Baby, you're so funny.
Come on.
You should go into comedy.
Really?
Yes.
My love. You know I'm not usually funny, but anything to make you happy, I would definitely do it. Oh yeah, I can be a basket match for you. Yes, now Bobby.
That's serious. Yes. That's why you love me.
I love you so
and that's
much.
why I love you.
I love you too. Come here, come and give me that hug.
We're still on collecting foundation and must.
It's a must now.
Headbone. That I like it.
Every day break every once. So mommy guess some muggle.
I'm gonna take a easy.
You can't because you know what smoke today now. You don't form me, but
because they smoke that just everything they hide.
But this village, we don't come, we don't chew. We must collect them.
How do you pork pies for this village?
Hey. Why you hang like this?
One dash shall never end.
I bet shift. Which one shall never end? Which one you carry Baba? I bet.
Who die?
Obina, there is fire on the mountain. If I tell you what I see.
See parable person they give. Who carry fire enter mountain? Fire go catch from mountain.
What's happen?
You go be Igbo fire now. You no go pass Igbo fire.
That's Igbo bomb more than they go.
Bobs.
Come. It is the joke here. I see your girl, Adobe, with one guy inside a car. Oh boy, the man. You need to see what I saw. As he said, this guy they press. I've seen the press like the kiss. I be like all those that Telemundo drama.
You gree leave Igbo. Then they say no to drugs. You know, you see life where person come. Leave Igbo. He say no, I'll die for you. Leave Igbo. He say no, I'll die for you. You see, that will be the depression.
Ife, make you no carry your pranks. Come here. If this is one of your pranks, stop them. As we do here, so we gather here like this. We done a coding diet, so carry yourself come up for here.
On a normal diet.
Just hold yourself like that. If you don't want to join us, my guy, flee.
You see why anything you get to do with relationship and then they like come put body. I dey tell you what I see. I don't like basket matter. They joke. I dey tell you what I see with my eye. They tell me.
See, come, see. All of una dey here. I'm not just there for wahala. As I dey here, so I do my own. I take over to make money. If I joke, anybody stop this. Which Ada Obi? They say
joke where now? I don't Ada Obi. I don't Ada Obi again. Ada Obi. I dey tell you I see for inside a car.
You see my alcohol, as in my direction for life. You see how for that person motor. My investment.
Your alcohol they hide somebody.
My alcohol they hide another person.
Inside motor, maybe you don't even go cause accident. Inside motor, man, she they hide the guy.
This one,
is who you there, yo?
Wait, who be that man? Who be that guy for this village when they trespass?
Oh, but tell me this name again, sef. Josh. Josh, now we come from city. Josh, we come from city. Now we dey drive car. Now we come from city.
No worry. See Izu. You see this life, so we think they find blood. You know they color here. Relax. Just sit down. You know the guy.
On the lawyer diet.
People out there on their own. Just sign contract.
You may say the guy.
One cigarette.
See that guy. He don't die.
Finish.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my daughter.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who is he?
Mama, this is Josh. He's the son of Mazi Anyanwu.
Hey!
Mama.
The one that came back from the city with a car. Oh, welcome.
Abuja.
Abuja. How? My daughter.
Yeah.
Welcome, my son.
Thank you, ma.
Welcome. Yeah? Now sit down.
No, Mama is in a hurry to leave. We'll come back.
Let me sit now.
Sit down,
Come
my
on.
son. Help.
Mama, so how are you?
Fine.
Hope nobody's stressing you.
Nothing at all.
No problem at all.
No.
Okay. Actually, Mama, I came to drop your wonderful daughter.
How?
And I decided to come see you.
Thank you.
You know?
Thank you. Did
because
well, my son.
it is not good to just see the daughter without seeing the mom.
Thank you. God bless you, my son.
More to that. I actually brought this for you.
Me?
Yes, ma'am. For your upkeep and also for your beautiful daughter here. Please, ma'am. Manage this. More will still come, Mama.
Money. Thank you, baby.
Hey!
Mama.
Thank you, my son.
No
God
problem,
bless you.
God bless you for having this kind of wonderful child.
Hey, God bless you,
Thank
my
you,
son.
ma.
Hey, go.
Mama, more will come again. More will come. More will come.
Okay.
Let me start going.
All right.
I will see you. Eh?
Okay.
Okay.
Drive safely. Oh.
Drive safely.
Hey.
Mama, let's go now. What are we going to buy?
Bros, good afternoon, sir.
Wait. What sort of greeting is that? What kind of nonsense greeting is that? Who are you referring to as bros?
Who are we referring to as bros?
Yes.
Will they give you respect now? You dey select title. Abi? See, I don't have time for your ranting this afternoon. No. Just go and wonder your useless son called Josh. With the teeth will be like shark own. If he doesn't stay away from Adobe in this village, the path he's treading is too hot for a barefooted man. No. You know me now. You know me. You know me. If I sneeze, this village go catch cold. Just go and tell your son. Because now the verse when just come up from my body since yesterday, that make me dey reason you. If I don't deal with you by now, just go and warn him. Just go and warn him. Izu, let's go.
Wait. You see this thing where Obina talk so? That be the truth. If you like, they shine that your eye. That eye where your picking get, may no come carry that eye put for Adobe body. Take your time for this village. You don't know us, go ask question.
You don't know how God tell like you. I leave you today. Don't leave me.
Look at what Joshua just put me into. Want to bring the problem of Ndoka's family to me? Josh. Okay. I reach home.
Obina, I don't understand you anymore. I don't understand you. You don't love me anymore. Obi, what is it now? Why are you doing this? I don't understand you. You've been snubbing me. I know you don't love me anymore.
Oh, wait, come. Is your brain on auto reverse?
What's that one?
What do you mean by you know that I don't love you? I don't love you. I'm telling you that if Echuku told me that he saw you in that Anyanwu son's car, you're telling me I don't love you anymore. Were you not the one in Josh's car?
Yes, I was the one. I won't deny that. But I was not playing any love with him.
You see yourself. I say white man. You say Mba, Reverend Father. What's the difference? You were the one in Josh's car, but you were not the one playing. You went to go and apply for JAMB then. You went to sweep the car for him. Philanthropist.
I mean, all this kind of your language you're using for me, I don't like it. I don't like it. What is it now? Which one is JAMB and philanthropist?
What were you doing? What were you doing inside his car?
Because the sun was too hot. He offered to drop us, and we agreed to follow him because the sun was too hot.
The sun was too hot. He says umbrella. The sun was too hot. Son, you've been entering since you were born. Am I even sure? How am I sure? How am I not sure that they even gave birth to you under the sun? It suddenly became too hot for you. And wait, let me even understand. What do you mean by we were inside? How many of you were inside the car?
It was me, Obiageli, and Jennifer.
Wait, you, Obiageli, and Jennifer. But if Echuku told me there was only you and him that were inside the car.
How will he not say that? After taking his stupid weed, I'm sure he doesn't see clearly again. Eh? You have to go and give him that umbrella so that he will have his sense corrected under the sun as well. What is that one? I told you don't trust me anymore. You see it? You believe him more than me. You don't love me anymore.
Baby, wait, my baby, it's not like that. See, I've told this my friends, say no to drugs. Say no to drugs. They will not understand. Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, you know you're my alcohol. Baby, please now, baby, forgive me. Baby.
You don't believe me again. You have to believe me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry, baby. It's my fault. Baby, it's my fault. Oh, Aki.
Is there any other thing other than these rascals you call sons? Yeah. Well, tomorrow we're going to see that.
You're calling our sons rascal. We forget that one look like you, one look like me. This is look-alike rascals. Don't say as my rascals if it's only me. Your own and my own. Look-alike rascals.
And the one that looks like you is the one that lies most.